today is that day where Amazon dropped that package off. So let's see what it is all about. We're gonna hurry up and rush to get home and get it installed. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Finally made it home after doing all that speeding just for this little box here. I thought it was something that something else, but it's not. As you can see here, I already opened it. This is the carbon fiber, as they say, carbon fiber door handles. That's gonna go here. I mean, cause I tore this open. I was excited to see what this is, but it wasn't what I thought it was. But at the same time, I'm glad that it is here. So looking at it, let's do it. Let's see how this looks on the car so far. There's a little prep on here. Ooh, that's gonna be nasty. Matching the carbon fiber down there. Oh, okay. So something I'm noticing here. Ooh, that's gonna turn that out a little bit. Ooh, I like this. Now, one thing I'm noticing here, for anybody who's trying to get this, that it don't have the cover or the notch. I feel like that's bad design, because here, just for the key insert, like, cause sometimes I do have issues, or I did before, where I had to take this off. So that means I have to take this off to get to the key to unlock the door. I did have that issue every blue moon when the battery dies. Hopefully I won't have that issue. That's when I was sitting outside. But now let's see the carbon fiber test. Let's do the carbon fiber test. Do it look like it's the same? What do you guys think? Do you think the same design, or is it hydro dip? It looks pretty close. It looks pretty close right there. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. So what I'm gonna do here is look like I'm gonna put this on, which is easy with basic 3M tape, of course. Hopefully the 3M tape is good. I lay it on top of here. Since I'm a stickler, like, I don't like this red showing, because I like when people is on my car, I like them to look in the detail. And for this here, like, it look like I have some extra vinyl wrap when I did my hood here. I guess I'ma just wrap this first a little bit to hide that, and then let's see, do I have to wrap this? I'm gonna do what I can to wrap. I'm probably gonna wrap this piece here. It looks pretty good, but I'm gonna wrap this so you won't see that red back there. It looks more like it's part of the car itself. So there we go. Got it installed. You can see I wrapped it back there, so you can barely see it here. So that looks pretty good so far. So I think y'all know what's coming up next. I can't be adding all this black and not get away with it. But yeah, y'all see that right there. So yeah, and like that wrapped this video up and looks good, making the car look complete. So if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, y'all.